The struts on my car are leaking quite badly, so I thought get some replacement. So they come with the retaining clips. Oh, they're already pre-greased as well. Even better. Let's see the other one. So now I'm at the car. I'll just show you the struts as they are. See the grease? Just have to be replaced. That's all. That's the original from the factory. It even says BMW Group on it. So they've lasted 95,000 kilometers. Okay, let's look at the other side. What alerted me to this was I heard a noise, like a rattling, squeaking noise from the back. So I came out to check it out, and as I saw the struts, I realized that they were leaking. Retaining clip. Okay, put that to one side, and now I'll just pry the strut off. Just get this grease off. Yep. To support the hatchback, the lift gate, what I did was I put up this makeshift bar, just put a rubber coat, a rubber stopper on there to so I don't scratch the trim, and it just goes down and onto the floor, and it's one of those ones, it's a broomstick handle, just adjustable. Where's the other part? There. Now I'll give these guys a clean up. I'll also apply some grease on there and on that one, even though it's got it on the actual new strut, and then yeah, see how it goes. Back at the bench, this is the old one with the writing on it, and this is the new one. They same, can't get that in the one shot, but same length, so I'm happy with that. I'll just take a bit of grease from here. Something worth noting as well, on the original, it says body. So what you do is the larger, thicker side obviously connects to the body part there, and the thinner one connects to the actual lift gate. That was a good solid fit. And now all I've got to do is repeat the process on the other side. The new ones have been installed.